In ANSYS 2020 R2, you'll see many speed and workflow improvements to the Discovery family of products, making your 3D modeling and simulation tasks easier than ever. In SpaceClaim, access any one of the 3 modes to design through a new sketch, selection, or 3D model, but now within a sketch, leverage our new constraint-based sketching techniques within SpaceClaim's design option. With a variety of constraint tools, in a couple of clicks, we can quickly engage in multiple options, visually providing real-time feedback. Our new constraint tips provides a clear path to what geometry is constrained or not, as well as leverage familiar geometry tools like the mirror command with sketch constraints to speed up creating symmetrical parts. Aside from leveraging SpaceClaim for geometry modeling, our new Connect to CAD functionality allows CAD users of other platforms to carry over name selections, parameters, and material properties into ANSYS Workbench and then edit in SpaceClaim. What's most impressive is the new block recording feature, not only allowing you to easily edit your parameters from other CAD platforms inside of SpaceClaim and linking the changes bidirectionally, but you can also capture your step-by-step feature creation and edits. Whether you're starting with a new sketch or adding features, SpaceClaim's block recording gives you the flexibility to design parametrically, allowing users to leverage history-based technology for quick design edits. Combining these new features with SpaceClaim's powerful direct modeling capabilities makes design exploration faster and easier. Regardless of your goal, you'll find answers with enhanced features in SpaceClaim 2020 R2, invaluable to any engineering workflow. Working with the new sketch constraints and our new block recording has never been faster or easier. You'll be productive with this tool from the start.